Hello everyone, it's Luna from Perfect Homes, and today I'm thrilled to show you this beautiful house in Wiang Kum Kam. It has 5 bathrooms and 4 bedrooms. The total space is 400 square meters and 488 Sq.wah. Let's go and check it out. Let me show you and start with this gorgeous big living area. Surrounded by nature. Look at the pond and fish. The furniture and decoration is very cozy. I love it. And this is the kitchen. Here you have the gas stove, the oven, induction fan, microwave, big refrigerator, and this big mirror where you can look outside. Also this side with the sink, and you can also look outside. And this is the dining area. It is very beautiful. Look at the furniture. The wood looks really nice. It is big, good for big families or when you have a party night. And I'm thrilled to show you this master bedroom once you walk in. Look at this beautiful couch, the mirrors, the bed, the decoration, everything looks so nice, and it is also high ceiling. And this is the walk-in closet, which is next to the bathroom. And of course, wow, 2 sinks, 2 mirrors, and this gorgeous bathtub, and also a shower area. And this is the next bathroom, which is right next to the other bathroom which I just showed. But look at how it is special. It is the way that leads you to your own fitness room. Here is your own fitness room. The sound that you're hearing is from this disco light, give you the mood to work out. Here's the cardio, spin, and then some lifting machine. Also, you can see the swimming pool, very nice. And this is one of the living rooms where you can come and relax, chill, and watch the movie with family or friends. It also comes with its own bathroom. Here you have the sink, the mirror, the toilet, and also shower. And this is the other living area, which you can hear the sound of the nature and the water. It looks very beautiful and relaxing. And this is the next bathroom. You walk in here, you have the toilet, the sink, and the mirror. No shower area in this room. And this is a small bedroom where you can turn it into a guest room or housekeeping room. And this is the guest room bathroom or the housekeeping bathroom, also with the shower area. And this is the outdoor swimming pool. Again, surrounded by nature. Very, very beautiful. And this is the garden area. Look how beautiful it is. It sounds like you're surrounded by nature. Look at this beautiful tree. All this pond with many, many fish. Wow. And this is the working room, but it also has some couches to relax. Here is the desk and chairs. Here is the living area. And also this one, which can turn into a bed if you wish. This is another bathroom. Again, comes with a sink, the toilet, and a separate shower area. And we're done for today. I hope you enjoyed this glorious house because I did. If you're interested or if you would like to know more information, please leave us a comment or click at the link below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. I'll see you again next time. Bye!